Have you ever wondered what makes lemons so special? Why are they so widely used in cuisines, beverages, and remedies around the world? What are the benefits of adding lemons to your diet and daily routine? In this video, we'll cover 15 benefits of lemons that you may not know about. These benefits range from boosting your immune system to improving skin health to enhancing your mood and energy levels. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed by how much lemons can do for you and how easy it is to incorporate them into your daily routine. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and now let's explore the fascinating world of lemons and reveal the secrets behind their amazing health effects. Benefit 1. High in vitamin C. One of the most notable features of lemons is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that supports your immune system, aids in collagen synthesis, promotes wound healing, and acts as a potent antioxidant. Adding lemon juice to your diet can help ensure an adequate intake of vitamin C, contributing to your overall health and well-being. Benefit 2. Supplies phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are natural compounds found in plants that have numerous health benefits. Lemons are packed with various phytonutrients including flavonoids, limonoids, and carotenoids. These compounds possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Regular consumption of lemons can provide your body with a diverse range of phytonutrients, supporting optimal health and disease prevention. Benefit 3. Enhances digestion. Good digestion is essential for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. The citric acid in lemons promotes the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown of food and enhancing nutrient absorption. Additionally, lemon water consumed before meals can stimulate stomach acid production, aiding in digestion of proteins. By incorporating lemons into your diet, you can support a healthy digestive system. Benefit 4. Boosts immune function. Lemons can also help boost your immune system and protect you from infections. Lemons contain flavonoids, which are natural compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative stress and weaken the immune system. By reducing oxidative stress, lemons support the proper functioning of immune cells, enabling them to carry out their defense mechanisms effectively. Vitamin C also stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are vital for immune defense. White blood cells help fight off pathogens and protect the body against infections. Benefit 5. Reduces high cholesterol. Another benefit of lemons is their ability to lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. Lemons contain hesperidin, a flavonoid that has cholesterol-lowering effects. Hesperidin reduces the production of LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, and promotes the production of HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. By improving cholesterol levels, lemons can help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, hesperidin is mainly found in the peel and pulp of the lemons, not in the juice. Therefore, to get the full benefit of hesperidin, you may want to consume whole lemons or lemon zest instead of just lemon juice. Benefit 6. Helps with weight loss. Lemons can also aid in weight loss by affecting several factors that influence body weight. While lemon water alone does not directly cause weight loss, it can indirectly contribute to it by lowering blood sugar levels, enhancing digestion, and creating a feeling of fullness. Lemon water can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which are important for regulating metabolism and preventing fat storage. Lemon water alone is not enough to achieve weight loss. It should be combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Benefit 7. Has anti-cancer effects. Lemons contain phytonutrients, specifically limonoids, that can help fight cancer cells and have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis in certain types of cancer. However, these phytonutrients are mainly found in the peel and pulp of lemons, not in the juice. Consume whole lemons or lemon zest instead of just lemon juice. The high vitamin C content also acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can contribute to cancer development. While lemons alone cannot cure cancer, their inclusion in a balanced diet may play a role in reducing the risk and supporting overall health. You should also be aware that the anti-cancer effects of lemons are not conclusive or proven, but they are based on laboratory studies or animal models. More research is needed to confirm the efficacy and safety of lemons for human cancer prevention or treatment. Benefit 8. Reduces kidney stones. Kidney stones can cause severe pain and discomfort. Citric acid abundantly found in lemons can help prevent the formation of these mineral deposits. By increasing urine volume and pH, citric acid creates an environment less favorable for stone formation. Regular consumption of lemon water or lemon juice can be a natural and refreshing way to reduce the risk of kidney stones. Benefit 9. Supports hydration. Staying hydrated is vital for optimal health. While water is the best choice for hydration, adding a squeeze of lemon can make it more enticing. The refreshing taste of lemon water can encourage increased water intake, helping you stay adequately hydrated throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining energy levels, promoting healthy skin, and supporting overall well-being. Benefit 10. Freshens breath. Lemons are often used as a natural remedy for freshening breath. The citric acid in lemons stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away bacteria and odor-causing compounds in the mouth. Gargling with lemon water or simply sucking on a lemon slice can provide a natural and refreshing way to combat bad breath. Benefit 11. Supports heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being. Lemons contain several compounds that promote heart health. The high vitamin C content in lemons acts as an antioxidant, protecting the heart from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, the flavonoids present in lemons have been associated with lower risk of heart disease. Incorporating lemons into your diet along with a heart-healthy lifestyle can support cardiovascular well-being. Benefit 12. Potentially helps reduce liver fat. A healthy liver is essential for metabolism, digestion, and detoxification. Excessive fat in the liver can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies suggest that lemons may aid in reducing liver fat by utilizing the high levels of citric acid they contain. Citric acid helps break down fats and enhance the liver's detoxification abilities. Incorporating lemon water or lemon juice into your daily routine may promote liver health and support the reduction of liver fat. However, these studies are based on animal models or laboratory experiments, and more research is needed to confirm the efficacy and safety of lemons for human liver health. Benefit 13. Has anti-aging effects. Lemons offer numerous benefits for skin health and appearance. Their high vitamin C content supports collagen synthesis, essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles, as well as supporting the structure and health of bones, joints, and blood vessels. Vitamin C also helps protect the skin from sun damage and aids in wound healing. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of lemons combat free radicals, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. Including lemons in your diet or using them topically as a part of a skincare routine can help nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Benefit 14. Boosts mood and energy. Lemons not only benefit physical health, but also have positive effects on mood and energy levels. The invigorating aroma of lemons uplifts mood and reduces stress. Additionally, the vitamin C and other nutrients in lemons play a role in energy production, helping combat fatigue and support vitality. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can provide a refreshing and energizing boost to kickstart your morning. And benefit 15. Prevents scurvy. Scurvy is a rare but serious condition caused by a severe deficiency of vitamin C. It can lead to symptoms such as bleeding gums, loose teeth, bruising, joint pain, and anemia. Scurvy can be prevented by consuming enough vitamin C from food sources or supplements. Lemons are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, providing about 64% of the daily value per 100 grams. Consuming lemons regularly can help prevent scurvy and ensure adequate vitamin C intake. As you can see, lemons are a true powerhouse of health benefits, offering a wide range of advantages for various aspects of well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.